Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9, 6th lesson, lines and angles lesson, exercise 6.1, first question. See beta, what is given in the figure? In the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. See here, AB line, CD line, they are intersecting at O. Next, what is given? If AOC, BOE 70 degree. AOC, this angle. Next, BOE, this angle. This both are how much degree? 70 degree. And BOD 40 degree. Where is there? See, BOD. This is how much degree is there? 40 degree is given in the question. Next, we will find what? BOE. We have to find BOE. This angle we will find. And reflex of COE. COE. This angle reflex we have to find. Reflex means that angle full back. See here. Reflex means here. Here to here. Reflex means like this. Here to here. This one is the reflex of COE we have to find. Now see here. First we know the BOD. We know. BOD how much degree is there? 40 degrees there. BOD 40 degree means AOC also 40 degree. Why means vertically opposite angles are equal. Now see here beta. Now we know which angle we know. First BOD we know. Where is there? BOD 40 degree given. So now I am taking angle BOD is equal to how much degree is there? 40 degrees there. BOD 40 means AOC also same degree. So now you can write angle BOD equal to angle AOC. Angle AOC. Both are 40 degree. What is the reason? This is BOD 40 degree means this is also 40 degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is how much degree? 40 degree. This round means we find it. Okay, keep in your mind. So this is 40 degree means this is also 40 degree. This is given in the question. Now we find it this one. This is 40 means this is also 40 degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, this angle came. Next, see here, this angle plus this angle, how much degree given? 70 degree given. This is 40 means this is how much is there? 30 degrees there. So this angle finding chance is there. So now you can write angle, which one? Angle AOC, write it, angle AOC plus angle BOE. Angle BOE. Both are how much degree? 70 degree. You write it. Is given in the question only. So AOC, BOE. AOC plus BOE, how much degree given? 70 degree is given in the question. In this one, we know the AOC. So now write AOC, how much degree is there? 40 degrees there. You can write here 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So now angle BOE is equal to 70 degree plus send that side minus 40 degree. So angle BOE is equal to how much degree? 30 degree. Now you got one answer. He is asking BOE. See here. Now you got the BOE. This is how much degree? How much degree? 30 degree. So now you got this is also 30 degree. Next we want reflex of COE. Reflex of COE we want. First we will find the COE. COE after reflex of COE we will find. COE finding what is the chances there? See, this is a straight line. Straight line means how much degree? 180 degree. You know this is also, this one finding easy. Okay. Now you write AOB is a straight line. Now you can write AOB is a straight line. Straight line means it is a 180 degree straight line. Now you can write AOB is a straight line. In this one, which angle is there? AOC is there. Angle AOC plus angle COE. This angle. Angle COE plus again which angle is there? BOE. So next which angle is there? BOE. All are how much degree? 180 degree. What is the reason? It is a straight line. So AOC and COE plus BOE. This 3, how much degree is there? 180 degrees there. Now, which one we know we can apply it? We know the AOC, we know 40 degree. Now you write here 40 degree. Next, this one we don't know, COE, like this only. Next, BOE, how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. Now you can write here 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. 40 plus 30, 70. Plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So now angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Take that side, minus 70 degree. So angle COE is equal to 110 degree. Okay, now you got COE how much degree? 110 degree. Now you find it 110 degree. Now you want what in this one? Reflex of angle COE. See beta here. Reflex of angle COE. Now you want reflex of angle COE. Reflex means this full. This full round means how much degree? 360 degree. 360 degree to this 110. This minus means you will get the reflex here. This is COE. How much degree is there? 110 degrees there. Now you want full, this back side full. So reflex you want. So 360 to this one minus, you will get the reflex. So reflex of COE is equal to this full round means how much degree? One revolution means 360 degree minus you do what? Reflex of COE is equal to 360 degree minus angle COE. You can do it. So now see here 360 degree minus COE, how much degree is there? 110 degree. Now you minus it. 0, 5, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 2. 250 degree. This is the answer. He is asking two questions. First question what? BOE 30 degree. Next one asking reflex of COE is equal to 250 degree. This is the answer. Not understood means once again you watch it. Okay. Now second question. In the figure XY and MN intersect at O. See beta. XY MN, this both lines here. XY MN line intersect at O. POY is equal to 90 degree. POY. This is the 90 degree. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 ratio. This A is to B 2 is to 3 ratio is there. Now we will find the angle. See this angle we have to find. This is the question. See beta. Now we will start. First what is given? First we will write POY given. So now we will write angle POY is equal to how much degree? 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree means this is a XOP also 90 degree. I mean straight line is there. It is perpendicular is there means this side also perpendicular. So now we will write XOP. Angle XOP is equal to XOP is equal to, this is a straight line. You write it 180 degree minus that 90 you minus means you will get angle XOP is equal to, you will get 90 degree. So XOP is the 90 degree. Next what is given? Here A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 ratio given. Now see here, angle A plus angle B. This full how much degree? 90 degree. Now you write here A plus B is equal to 90 degree. I means XOP means it is 90 degree came just now. So angle A plus angle B is equal to how much degree? 90 degrees there. Now let A is equal to, A is to B how much is there? A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 ratio is there. So let A is equal to, I am taking here A is equal to, I am taking 2x. Next B is equal to, I am taking 3x. Okay. Now A plus B is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So A means how much? 2x. Plus B means how much? 3x is equal to 90 degree. So 2x plus 3x how much? 5x. 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 8, 4 remain, 5 8 is 40. X is equal to 18 degree. X you got 18 degree. So here now you want what? 2x. 2x is equal to, see here, 2 into 18. 2 into 18 means 18 to the 36 degree. So, this is 2x means 36 degree. Next, we will find 3x. 3x is equal to 3 into 18. 3 into 18 means 3 8s are 24, 54 degree. So, equal to A. So, what is the A value? A value is the 36. Now, 54 degree. 54 means 3x. 3x means what we will take? B. So, this is equal to B. So, 3x equal to B equal to 36 degree. Sorry, 54 degree. So, B value how much degree is there here? 54 degrees there. Try to understand. B value is the 54 degree. A value is the 36 degree. So, now we want what? This C value want. So, C value want means this is a straight line. Now, you can write this, I will write. Now, you can write MN is a straight line. MN is a straight line. Straight line. Okay. MN is a straight line means this straight line means how much degree? 180 degree. So, now straight line. MN is a straight line. So, B plus C. B plus C is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. Why means it is a straight line. Already you know the B value. B value how much? 54 degree. Now we have to find the C value. So, C don't know. Keep like this only. Is equal to 180 degree. C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. 180 minus 54, 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 7 remains, 7 minus 5 to 126 degree. So, C is equal to 126 degree. He asked the C value. C value is the 126 degree. Okay. Are you clear? Not understand. Third question. In the figure, PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ. So, both are equal. These both are equal. Then we have to prove that PQS double line I will take. This angle equal to PRT. This angle we will prove. So, what is there? Nothing better in this question. This angle equal to this angle given in the question. Now, we will prove this angle equal to this angle we have to prove. PQR equal to PRQ is given in the question. Now, we have to prove what? PQS equal to PRT we have to prove in this one. So, first given we will write. Given what is there? This is only given. PQR equal to PRQ. So, this one you have to write the given. To prove what is there? To prove what is there? PQS equal to PRT we have to prove. So, for proving, see here beta, these both angles are equal is there. So, this both angle equal is there means this one we will take X. So, I am taking here, see, PQR equal to PRQ. What we will take? We will take X. We will take this angle equal to X. So, now you are observed means here one linear pair is there. Linear pair means how much degree? 180 degree. So, this angle plus this angle I will take 180 degree. So, now here I am taking the linear pair. PQS. Try to understand better. PQS plus PQR. PQR means we are taking X is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. So, sorry, linear pair. Linear pair you can write it. This is the first equation. So, next this side over. Here also one linear pair is there. Linear pair means this angle plus this angle how much degree? 180 degrees. I am taking PRT. Okay. Next plus PRT over. Now I am taking PRQ. PRQ means what is there? This is X is equal to 180 degree. So, PRT you can write it. PRQ means we are taking X. So, X is equal to 180 degree. Both are equal. What is the reason? Linear pair. So, this is the second concept. Okay. So, from equation 1 and 2 you observed means, see here this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. So right hand side both 180 came. You close it. Right hand side equal means automatically left hand side is the equal. 180 came. So right hand side equal is there. So automatically left hand side is the equal. So this both I will take equal. See here. PQS plus X is equal to PRT plus X. Okay. Now see here. This X cancel. So now we will get PQS is equal to PRT. Now what proving is there? PQS is equal to PRT. In question C, PQS is equal to PRT. So hence proved. This is the answer. This is the explanation. You can use step by step. I given fair notes also. You can use it. See here. Here X is there. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. This both are equal is there. So this one equal to this one we will take X. It's cancel. PQS is equal to PRT. This is the answer. This is the fair notes. This is the explanation. You can use it. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel.